Hello YouTube, this is Vic No, and I want to show you a little something I put together. This is my mini bike shop. Let me get the keys out. Don't mind the mess. Hey man, here's a roller that I bought down at Englishtown for $200. It was a rusty old frame. I picked up a Harbor Freight motor for $50. That was a return with very low hours on it. And we've been working on it little by little. Just got my foot pegs on. And it came together nicely, you know. Used some anodized paint. Gonna be putting this seat on over here that we just redid. Got some other seats. But all in all, it came out pretty nice, you know. I haven't posted a video in a while, so I figured why not, man. Give you guys a little gander of what I've been doing. Anyway, all the best to y'all, and have a great day, and God bless.